Across Chicago tonight, parents and students anxiously waiting to learn if there will be school tomorrow as the teachers union and school leadership face off over remote learning.
WGN's Jewel Hillary joins us with the latest developments. Jewel?
Hi, good evening, Jackie and Ray. So we have just learned that 88% of the teachers union's House of Delegates has voted yes to approve a resolution for CPS students to learn remotely for a couple of weeks starting tomorrow. Now the entire CTU can vote. It's a decision Mayor Lightfoot is not pleased with.
We saw a threefold increase in the number of failure rates among elementary school children. Not only that, we heard from parents how disruptive that remote learning was to their lifestyles. Many of our parents in CPS
Today, Mayor Lightfoot, CPS CEO Pedro Martinez, and Commissioner of the Chicago Department of Public Health, Dr. Allison Arwady, all said CPS schools are safe for students in the midst of this current COVID surge. However, a representative from the Chicago Teachers Union told WGN that unless the surge subsides or testing and safety measures in schools are improved, the union proposes remote learning to take effect January 5th through January 18th. The district has not authorized remote learning, so CPS calls this move by the teachers illegal. CEO Martinez says he will cancel all instruction Wednesday if the union overall votes yes to the remote learning proposal.
Classes will be canceled, schools will be open, we will have a plan tomorrow.
Even before vaccines were available, children are approximately as likely to get seriously ill with COVID as they are to get seriously ill with influenza.
Portion of CPS statement states in part that a transition to in-person learning will be decided on a school-by-school basis. Some of the criteria listed includes if 40% or more of schools' classroom teachers are absent for 2 days in a row because of the teacher's positive COVID-19 cases, and the school-wide teacher absence rate because of COVID-19 cases remains at or above 30% with the use of substitutes or internal staff. And the other criteria includes if 50% of elementary school classrooms have more than 50% of students in quarantine, and in high schools, if more than 50% of the total student population has been instructed to quarantine. Now, CPS says families can expect a district-wide call, email, and text following the CTU's overall vote tonight, regardless of the outcome. And we do expect voting to be complete by 9:00 p.m. Additionally, CPS has offered a proposal to the CTU. The proposition includes increased contact tracing capability and 200,000 KN95 masks to be immediately distributed to staff. Jackie and Ray,
All right,
back to you.
We'll be watching at 9 and 10 to see how that vote goes. Thank you.